Hey there, I'm Bogdan, and in today's video, I'm going to show you my favorite video creation app. We get this question a lot. What's the easiest way to create videos for my Revoicer voiceovers? Well, today I'm going to show you the best type of videos that are also pretty easy to create. I'm talking about whiteboard drawing videos like this one.
Meet Joey, a digital marketer. He works as the head of digital marketing for Amazon. But how did Joey get here?
These types of videos are highly effective because ever since we were in school days, we've been programmed to pay attention when someone writes on a whiteboard. Pretty cool video, right? Let me quickly show you how we created this sample. We used InstaDoodle. Why? Because InstaDoodle rocks. Let me give you a quick sneak peek. Let's open InstaDoodle and create a new project. As you can see, you have an extensive library of characters and objects to use in your projects. But unlike other video creators where you're limited to built-in library or stock footage, with InstaDoodle, you can create whatever you imagine using just one click on Generate with AI. Now let's say we want to create a man with round glasses, curly hair, holding a laptop bag. Love this one. Let's add it to the scene. Now let's upload the Amazon logo. It looks really good. Let's just center it a bit. Now the first slide says, meet Joey, a digital marketer. He works as head of digital marketing for Amazon. But how did Joey get here? Let's add some question marks for the part, how did Joey get here? Let's go to our library, search for question mark. This one looks nice. I'll add it to our scene. Let's add it, make it red. Looks good, but let's duplicate it. Rotate it a little bit. And make it orange like the Amazon logo. Already looks much better. And for the final touch, I'll go to Generate with AI, create a nice looking background. Let's say cubicle office with desks and computers. Here it is. Add it to the scene. Send it backward. Change the color to a light gray. Amazing. All that's left to do is to go to slide settings and upload your Revoicer voiceover. Easy as that. Then click on sync slide with voice, and now everything is perfectly synced. Let's quickly preview this.
Meet Joey, a digital marketer. He works as the head of digital marketing for Amazon. But how did Joey get here?
Amazing, right? Of course, you can tweak things even more, like animations, line weight, and other settings. Just like we did for this slide, you can do the same for other slides and get an amazing video generated in minutes. I hope you've enjoyed this video and that you'll have as much fun creating InstaDoodle videos as we did working on this example. So give InstaDoodle a shot. I guarantee you'll love it. Imagine how much more engaging your videos will be combining Revoicer's realistic voiceovers with InstaDoodle's captivating animations. Don't miss out on this opportunity to create something truly special.